Hi, here I want to draw this second one. So I'm going to start with these circles. One is 4 and the other is 7 millimeters. So I'm going to hit circle, enter, and then go to draw from the origin. So I'm going to hit 0, then hit OK. Then type, I'm going to type 4, but that's 4 in diameter, so I'm going to pick the diameter here and type 4, right, and then hit right click again to get the last command and go to 0, type 0 and enter, and then 7. Okay, that's too small, so I'm going to small that again. Alright. Just to understand and to see what keys I'm going to type, so you can find it here. This see that he's telling you that I'm hold. Okay, hold in here. Alright. After that, there is a line 3.5 millimeters away from here, and its length is 10. So I'm going to do that by going to line here. Okay, and from midpoint hit 0, it's a place, right, and then type the end of the line is going to be 5. Okay, enter, and then hit shift to make sure that ortho is on. Okay, I'm going to take that and tap here. It's going to be 3.5, so it's going downward, it's opposite in direction here, so it's going to be negative 3.5. Alright, and then here is a tangent line from this circle to here. So the way I'm going to do it, tangent from curve, it's tangent from here and then ends here, and also the same way the other side, or I just can mirror that one. I'm going to hit mirror about here, the center 0, and just tap shift to make sure it's ortho. Okay, after that I'm going that one to be 2.5 lower, so that's negative 2.5. Control Z, just I want that to be copied, so I'm going to hold on Alt key, hold, and then tap here and hit enter. Alright, then 2 lines here, line. Okay, and then he told me that I'm going to move this part is 5 and then 1.5, and that's 2.5, right? So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to polyline, start from here, right, and tab 2.5 to take the length, and then make sure to, I'm sorry, I have to start from here again, here, then 2.5, enter, and move like that. And the other one is going to be 45 degrees, so it's from here to here, so 90 plus 45, so it's going to be 135. So I'm going to put the angle here 135, something like that, and just tap enter or right click. Okay, I'm going to pick that one and that one to be 1.5 above, so hit tap on Alt, hold, Tap here, be 1.5, something like that. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to select all of these, trim, Control T, trim these, and also that one. I'm going to mirror that from the center, 0, enter, shift, and also that one. Then select all of these, trim, Control T, and here we go.